Hey guys, this is Tyler1. So I'm going to show you the process of how I created this basic rock formation in Houdini. So for pointing to note, this is my very first time using Houdini, so it was a bit of a trial and error and a learning process for me. So the first thing I did was I created this geometry attribute and named it rocks, and then inside it I created this sphere object right here and used the mountain attribute to mold the rock here into a rock shape, and then after that I use the copy to points attribute along with the scatter attribute to basically copy the rocks and then scatter them across this grid. So this is like what probably not like my main issue was. I had like trouble like trying to figure out how it got to work. Like sometimes I'll connect it and it would disappear. Like I looked up some YouTube tutorials and I even asked Chat GDP for some advice, and but I was able to figure out that you need to connect the combinative points to the scatter here, and connect the scatter to where the grid is right here. And speaking of which, I also use another mount to create just basically like a rough terrain, like a grid right here. And as for the texture, what I use the concrete texture here to give these like a little more like a natural look. At first I wanted to use the rock's texture, but it didn't really look very good or natural, so I decided to use concrete instead. And as for the rock texture in particular, I changed this to a cylindrical texture type. And what I did is that it gave this like a symmetry type texture, if you will. So yeah, it is that. And then also I use this merge attribute right here to basically connect all these attributes here and make it all work. All right. So yeah, that's the basic process of how I create it. Again, it wasn't easy. It took hours of trying to figure out what it was. But then again, this is my first time using it, so I don't expect it to be perfect. But then again, that's why we're here. We're here to learn this. Alright, so that's basically how I did it. You guys have a good day.